Thank you. May I come in, sir? Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Hello,
Hello, sir.
Aparajit.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of your name?
Thank you, sir. Sir, the meaning is invincible or undefeatable.
Undefeatable.
Yes, sir.
Parajit, no?
Yes, sir.
Aparajit.
Yes, sir.
Right. And how old are you?
Sir, I am 22 years old.
Wonderful.
This is your first attempt?
Yes, sir.
First attempt?
Yes, sir.
How did your written go?
It was good, sir. Yeah.
क्या subject में?
Political science.
All science. So, what do you play any games?
Games? Yes, sir. I play lawn tennis.
You play tennis?
Yes, sir.
Excellent.
I played inter-hostel championships in IIT Bombay.
You played tennis?
Yes, sir.
You still play?
Now I didn't get time after IIT Bombay because I have started preparing for UPSC.
So you after you finished IIT, you started preparing?
Yes, sir.
IIT has a scheme, for 2 years you can prepare and then go back to placement.
Yes, sir.
In that, under that scheme, are you taking merit for that?
No, sir. You don't have to enroll in that scheme, but you can just directly inform IIT Bombay if you want to sit for placements again. So right now I don't have any plans for that.
You're not planning?
No, sir.
So you're concentrating on this?
Yes, sir.
So good. It's your first attempt and you've cleared the exam, and interview is an important part because it helps you basically to every mark counts.
Right. Yes, sir.
In your merit list it happens. So interview may generally it's called a personality test.
Mm-hmm.
It's not really testing your knowledge or anything. So we normally test you on general sort of things. For example, I can ask you, why do you think this controversy over the CAA has broken up?
Mm-hmm.
So how do you look at it?
Sir, I look at protests as a vibrant symbol of democracy, and definitely the Supreme Court as well as the Constitution gives the protesters right to protest. However, it must be done peacefully and within the foundation of laws. And every individual has the right to freedom of speech, and his views must be listened to by the government, and that is how democracy works.
While the Supreme Court will, of course, decide
Yes, sir. On the constitutionality.
by the constitutionality of the law. What do you think as a person? I mean, does the law, was the law necessary? Why was it necessary? Does the law actually violate certain basic tenets of our society, constitution, etc.?
So I believe that I am not competent enough to, because the matter is sub judice. So I would rather wait for the orders of Supreme Court, and whatever will be because it is the highest interpreting authority for Constitution. Every citizen must accept its outcome, the judgment.
Okay, let me rephrase the question. Why do you think these people are protesting? These young people particularly.
Yes.
Why are they protesting? What is it that they see that has brought them out on the streets? What do they see in this law that has made them start?
Sir, the major allegation which has been put against the law is that it discriminates against a particular community because they have been left out. Even the countries where they are religiously persecuted, they are left out from that also, and that is why it is said that the law attacks the basic structure, that is secularism. So that
you think is motivating
yes, sir.
The young people here.
Yes.
Who's your most admired tennis player?
Sir, Roger Federer.
Roger?
Yes, sir.
Didn't he lose recently?
Yes, sir. He lost in the semi-finals.
But he keeps on going. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Great fellow. I used to play tennis many years ago. And what other? Do you read books in your spare time?
No, sir. I listen to rap music.
Rap?
Yes, sir.
Who's your best rapper?
Sir, in India it is Divine, and from the West it is Eminem.
Huh?
Eminem. Yes, sir.
So music, you sort of...
yes, sir.
It's a pastime kind of thing.
Yes, sir.
So, and any other readings you do? Even on the net or something?
Sir, mostly I've read, like I follow IDSA, Rajya Sabha TV for current affairs.
Follow that.
Yes, sir.
Have you listened to those debates?
Yes, sir. Those debates, the big picture. So it keeps me updated.
RSTV you watch?
Yes, sir.
Which are the programs you watch?
Sir, India and the world, and the big picture is there.
Big picture.
Yes, sir.
Have you ever seen me on this program? Have you seen me on that program ever?
I can't recall.
Okay, was a joke. Good television watching and you do all that.
Yes, sir.
And otherwise, you do any physical exercises?
Sir, just lawn tennis.
Tennis,
Yes,
which
sir.
is a pretty good exercise.
Yes, sir.
That is true.
Tell me, you have done political science.
Yes, sir.
What is the relevance of Gandhi? Tell me his two important teachings
Mhm.
or two important thoughts are the most relevant today.
Sir, given the condition of our farmers, I think his approach towards agriculture and the rural economy is a very important point which every government should try to apply, the cluster-based economy and the trusteeship model. And the other one would be the non-violence and satyagraha, which is a huge lesson for the protesters.
What do you think of the communal harmony? If you are to ask to choose between agriculture and communal harmony, which one will you choose?
Sir, I would choose communal harmony.
Tell me, what is the relevance of Vivekananda? These days we hear a lot about thoughts of Vivekananda.
Yes, sir.
What is the relevance of Vivekananda? Why we keep on talking about Vivekananda?
Sir, Swami Vivekananda was a perfectly balanced synthesis of the modernity as well as traditionality, which is the need of the time. Because India is a prismatic society where we can see all the kinds of people, some who are very modern, but some who are deeply rooted in the traditions, such as the Khap Panchayat, for example. I come from Haryana.
What is his teaching which is most relevant? What is his teaching which is most relevant?
Sir, it is the religion is something that is personal, and every religion teaches that God is one.
And his,
And there are different ways of reaching it.
and his
Yes.
message to youth? He always talked about youth and
Sorry,
the energy of youth.
Majorly, it was the emphasis on scientific temper.
Have you heard of what called EEC?
EEC.
EU must have heard.
Yes, sir.
Did you have the EEC?
Sir, the prelude to
Yes.
EU. Yes, sir.
Now, England, what is the position of UK today in EU?
Sir, yesterday I read in the newspaper that Brexit has been sealed, and on 7th of February, Britain will be exiting EU.
Britain will be exiting on 7th of February.
I am not sure exactly about the date, but
It
will
has
be.
exited yesterday.
Yes, sir.
But tell me, is the divorce complete or still it has obligation, Technically it may have crossed the door,
Yes, sir.
but what happens to all the agreements and commitments with the European Union? Are they still in force or it's a complete break?
No, sir. They are still in force, and there will be a period through which the Britain and EU will adjust themselves.
What is this period of transition? You have an idea?
Sir, I am not sure, but I
End
think
of this year.
end of this year. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Last question I'll ask.
Yes, sir.
We hear a lot about, impeachment in America, and there is a provision of impeachment in India also. No?
Yes, sir.
Are you aware?
Yes, sir.
How the President of India can be removed?
Sir, the Constitution mentions the ground of violation of constitutional morality for the President. For that, at least 100 members from the Lok Sabha or 50 members from the Rajya Sabha must give a written resolution to the Speaker or the Rajya Sabha Chairman. Then the voting takes place in the first house. If that is passed by the 2/3 of the majority,
What does 2/3 of the majority mean?
Sir, the total membership of the House. For example, 2/3 of 545 in Lok Sabha and 245 in Rajya Sabha. If that is passed, then it is sent to the second House, which again conducts investigation.
Two-thirds or two-thirds of the present is voting, how is it?
Sir, for President, it is 2/3 of the total membership.
Total.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Thank you.
Aparajit,
Yes, sir.
you know, you're sitting here brings a lot of excitement, seeing such talent.
Thank you, sir.
The board. So, you know, I also understand that you've been to Denmark
Yes, sir.
for 6 months or
4.5 months.
4.5.
Yes, sir.
You know, that's a good kind of exposure that Indian academic institutes are giving to students.
Yes, sir.
So I would like to understand your experience in Industry 4.0, Denmark as a nation, and what you have seen in India. So what is your thought?
Sir, the first thing which I noticed in the Denmark education system was that the academia industrial linkage was very strong. The private investment in their universities is very high as compared to IIT Bombay or even the other colleges of India. So that is why their innovation, they are very high on innovation index in the HDI, and therefore the artificial technology or their public transport system is completely electrified. They have the electric charging stations are on every 100 meters. So India is definitely lagging behind. However, what I noticed was that because of being a very small population and belonging to the Western world, it had a kickstart faster than India, and India will definitely has to do a lot.
Our solution in the country has been that, you know, open up more IITs. What is your view in that? Good, bad, ugly?
Sir, already 23 IITs have been commissioned by the last budget. However, I don't think that more IITs should be the goal. Rather, the existing IITs should be given more infrastructure, more autonomy, administrative as well as financial. Similarly, the existing NITs can be brought to the level of IITs, NITs, so that because that will be much easier as well as more fruitful.
You know, one of these things which has come up in the academia
Yes.
is, you know, promoting entrepreneurship at pre-final year, third year.
Yes.
Startup India and some schemes are being there. And IIT has been in forefront. IITs, I'm not aware about Powai, because every college has an entrepreneurship cell or a department. And
Yes, sir.
I think some of your alumni has funded a very big incubation center,
Yes, sir.
if I remember.
Yes, sir.
So, what is your thought that should colleges, you know, prepare student for employer or market, or only for entrepreneurship? I mean, you are the best at this.
Yes, sir. Sir, I think being an undergraduate course for the Bachelor of Technology, it must be open to diverse fields. However, only when you go to post graduation, then it can be focused on the employer basis. For example, I did my BTech from IIT Bombay. I was not aware about the potential of civil services until third year. So that is when I chose that I want to make a career in that. So so the students in that age, for example in class 12th, it is like a rat race and everyone wants to go to IIT or want to go to AIMS, and the same thing was for me. Once they develop a perspective, they should be given a chance to enter entrepreneurship or any other field, be it civil services also.
I think that's all.
Thank you, sir.
Have you heard the word coronavirus?
Yes, sir. Sir, it has been an outbreak of viral infection in China recently, and it has spread out to many countries. In India also reported its first case yesterday in Kerala.
In the last 15 years, have there been similar outbreaks of diseases in the world?
Viral kind of, this kind
Yes, sir.
of.
Sir, in 2002 there was a SARS outbreak, which is and coronavirus is also a mutation of the SARS virus that I can recall. And others, the swine flu virus of 2008, I'm not sure about the year, the swine flu. was also viral infection.
It seems to come in a cycle that these things happen.
Why it comes like this?
Sir, I did a course on proteins and enzymes in Denmark. So, according to that, the mutation of the viruses takes some time, and also they have to change hosts. For example, swine flu first entered the pig. From the pig, it entered to the poultry, and then to humans. So, as soon as they changes the host,
Bird flu was
yes sir,
chicken, I think.
yes sir, bird flu. So they change as soon as they change the host, their potential increases, and that is where the cycle
And
continues.
they mutate faster.
Yes sir.
Important.
Rajat, do you think you're disadvantaged by age? Should we say lack of experience? This examination.
Sir, I would not like to believe that because given my age should work as an advantage because I will be more energetic, more enthusiastic to learn, and I think I can work it in my favor.
Absolutely. Okay, can you give me some reasons to travel to your hometown?
Hometown as in Hisar
Yes.
or Haryana company.
Hisar?
Okay, Hisar. Sir, in Hisar, it was a city which was established by Firoz Shah Tughlaq, and its meaning is fort. So it is called Hisar-e-Firoza, the complete name. And there is a Gujri Mahal, and there are myths about that Mahal that Firoz Shah Tughlaq fell in love with a lady whose name was Gujri, and he built that fort there. So that fort has been taken under the ASI, and it is rebuilding it as a tourist destination. Also nearby there is a Rakhi Gadi, that is the Indus Valley civilization.
Very famous.
Yes sir, it is the largest site for that.
What is this Rakhi Gadi actually point towards? The DNA findings, etc. What is the main finding of that? You recall that?
So I remember that it is the largest site, and recently the skeletons of a couple holding hands was found out.
Yeah.
And it is also by many historians considered as the oldest site, that because once the Ghagra channel was flooding these plains, that time the population went and settled on Indus. So it is considered as the oldest one.
Actually, what I'm trying to get at is that there is this huge debate about the Aryans coming, etc., and Dravidians. You know that.
Yes sir.
Rakhi Gadi is the first instance where the DNA examination takes place, and it shows that it does not have a particular mitochondrial or something they call it DNA, which comes in from the outside. In other words, it is 100% indigenous here, whereas we know that people came from outside, the so-called Aryans, etc., migrations took place. So this skeleton does not have any DNA of the migratory people.
I was
In
not
other words,
no sir.
you didn't know that.
I didn't know this. Thank you
There's a
sir.
very famous paper, you can read it. It's very, very enlightening because all of us, we've grown up thinking that the Aryans.
Right.
So it really shows that before the Aryans came, these guys were, they were probably Harappans or something, part of the Harappan. So Harappa may have been completely indigenous.
Right.
And the migrant later.
Yes sir.
Because it sort of overturns certain historical
Right.
kind of assumptions
Yes,
or
sir.
truths that we grow up.
I will definitely look into it.
This year, the guest for the Republic Day parade,
Yes,
right?
sir.
That invitation was criticized by some sections.
Yes sir.
Yeah. Can you just explain why? What grounds?
Sir, it was the Brazilian Prime Minister who was President who was invited, and given his track record towards the minorities and his authoritarian nature of his government, it was criticized.
Also certain misogynistic statements.
Yes sir.
Yeah. So do you think that invite was, we should have avoided?
Sir, I think the foreign policy works best when we consider the national interest, and Brazil being one of the fastest developing economies and our very crucial partner in BRICS, it cannot be left behind, and it should be based on the pragmatic decision, and it was the right one.
Sir?
Yeah, that's fine.
Just to wait.
Thank you. Just
Sure.
call you back
Yes,
for
sir.
a couple of minutes.
Thank you, sir.
First attempt.
Yeah.
See, this is yours, huh?
Okay.
Nice interview, brother.
Thank you.
Actually, I'm totally inspired with you.
Okay.
What's your age?
22.
Nice. I also want to appear in this.
Okay. So you are preparing. You have just started.
Yes, right now I'm doing CA.
Okay.
So I'm little bit confusion is whether I will do or not.
Yeah. So CA is itself very difficult to handle.
Yes,
so.
yes. But
अच्छा आ जाओ. Okay. So,
Come, Aparajit.
You feel so confident.
Aparajit, we are delighted to have met you,
thank you, sir.
and it all depends on the written exam, but I don't think you will have a problem in the interview. Whatever you say, the way you said it, maintain this kind of a posture.
Yes, sir.
And you can be a little more relaxed and
Okay.
smile a bit and body language. Make it more relaxed.
Okay.
And you don't have to answer everything, and you don't have to give very long answers.
Okay.
Yeah, be short and precise.
Yes, sir.
And where you can't answer, be upfront and say, "Sir, I'm very sorry, I don't know
Yeah.
this."
That will also help you.
That will also, that's the better way of dealing with it.
Yes,
So that somebody else will ask, and they will say, "Okay, don't worry, we'll ask you something else."
Hmm.
Look, it is not a test of knowledge.
Yes, sir.
It's a test of your personality, character, your traits, how you deal with issues, etc. And you are young, so this is a good age to join. I joined at 23.
Okay.
So I believe that
And not many are joining these days at your age, so they will,
there are not too many.
that will give you preference.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely.
So you will probably get a preference in the sense that you are young, etc. It's your first time, and
Yes,
you've
sir.
not worked
No, sir.
anywhere else. So you're straight from the institute into the service.
Yes, sir.
Fine, that's a way of looking at it. I'm not saying that that's it. But keep it up. I think you're on
Thank you,
the
sir.
right track.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck.
17th February. First day.
Oh, first day.
First day of the candidate.
So this year I won't be there. so-
The way you kept your thing, no? You stay like that. No?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So, as
We have only positive feedback, honestly.
Okay.
You know, so
so just be yourself,
Yes, sir.
like you were here.
Yes, sir.
Couple of
You shouldn't have any problem.
Don't read much of how the interview happens and walk into it. Don't
You
see all
don't
that.
have to.
Stay on it.
और कुछ देखने की जरूरत नहीं.
ठीक है, सर.
But be abreast of current affairs.
That is very
Yes, sir.
वो एक हफ्ता पहले क्या हुआ था, सब 10 तारीख को, 11 तारीख को, somebody might उसके दिमाग में होगा, वो पूछ लेगा.
तुम उसी में पकड़ेंगे हो.
इलेक्शन रिजल्ट आया होगा.
इलेक्शन रिजल्ट आ गया होगा,
Yes, sir.
उस पे शायद कुछ
you gave good answers, right? Measured answers, balanced,
Yes, sir.
reasoned thing.
And sir, how was that CA thing? Like, was that okay?
ठीक ही बोले तुम. I mean, we are nobody to
You don't have to
decide.
say, you say that since the matter is sub judice,
Yes, sir.
but you are not pronouncing a judgment, what we are saying.
Yes, sir.
The matter may be sub judice.
They may not ask you.
But even then you could say, sir, it's a very complex matter.
Mm-hmm.
The point is, it is being heard by a constitutional bench.
Yes, sir.
And I really can't say much about it, you see, I mean, that way.
Right.
You know, instead of saying sub judice,
Mm-hmm. Yes,
you have
sir.
right to comment. You see, because even if the matter is sub judice, all we have right to is call. So it does not debar you from saying.
Yes, sir.
But say it's such a complex matter. No, I really can't say much about it.
Okay, sir.
It's the same thing, but putting differently.
You can say that it's a complex issue involving legal
And constitutional
and other
matters.
constitutional and other issues. And
Day before yesterday, news came that a circular from IIT Powai not to protest and all that.
Yes, sir.
वो
You might
institutions
be
are,
asked because you are from IIT Powai.
they might be asked. Yeah. What do you think?
Why should
Right.
Should students be allowed to protest? Even you said that.
Yes,
That,
sir.
there is
That is
protest is a
personal.
fundamental
But
right.
college-
You
Your
say
answer-
we have the right to protest peacefully, that is your personal.
That's it.
He said rightly.
Your answer on age, on Republic Day, they were exactly almost what we wanted to.
Okay.
hear.
Yes, sir.
You have anything to ask?
No, sir. Anything which I should do right now is current affairs?
Yeah,
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah. And stay the way you spoke as a conversation. It was very good conversation.
Okay.
It was never.
He does not need guidance.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
And go as you are dressed.
Okay, sir.
Wear a coat and tie.
Yes, sir. Sure. Thank you, sir.
Or maybe a white shirt is better.
Yeah, white
Oh.
shirt and tie straightened color, tie also you can change.
ठीक नहीं टाई ठीक है white shirt में बढ़िया लगेगा
थोड़ा डॉट ठीक कर ले।
White shirt.
कोई बात नहीं
ठीक है सर.
All the best.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
It doesn't matter, but-
नहीं, young chap बड़ा smart रहता है।